This is the new Imagebon Smart Dashcam. It's got some built-in apps, and yes, YouTube's one of them. You can watch videos, listen to music, and just enjoy the ride. Plus, Netflix is there too. You can catch a movie, binge a series, or just enjoy your favorite shows whenever you're parked and ready to relax. The best part? Any app you want from Google Play. Games, music, streaming, it's all right there on your dashcam. And check this out. It's got wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Your iPhone or Android connects automatically. And maps, music, calls, and all your apps work right from the dashcam. No wires needed. And here's something really cool. The dashcam does split screen. Keep your navigation on one side and videos, music, or apps on the other. Everyone in the car gets what they want without missing a thing.
It has front and rear 1080p cameras, and the front camera rotates 180 degrees. You can even check inside your car, giving you a full view of both the road and the cabin.